Buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can access your shortcuts when you press on your power on and off button 3 times real fast. And then in my case, my magnifying glass opens up. To get to these shortcuts, we need to go to our settings and then go to accessibility, and here we want to go to accessibility shortcut. And when configure, and then triple click the side button to toggle accessibility features on or off. And now if you click on, let's say, reduce transparency, and then we triple click, then you see that this bar down here changed, and now it changed again. So you can choose whatever you like here. So that's how you can access the shortcut on your iPhone 15 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.